Hello viewers, welcome to the 1 minute class. In previous video we learned how to use the polyline tool. Now we will know how to use arc tool in AutoCAD. So let's get started. So viewers, in AutoCAD the arc command is used to draw arcs. Arc command can be found from the draw tool available in the draw tool panel like here, or else you can also start the arc command by typing arc key, or by typing arc, or simply a shortcut of arc, that is A, and you have to press enter. The arc command will be started. AutoCAD has many methods to draw arcs, but using these methods as needed, we can draw arcs very easily and in a short time. So viewers, arc can be drawn using 11 different methods as available here in your in your draw toolbar under the arc section. But in this video we will use the basic and the most commonly used methods. So viewers, we will start with 3 points: start and center, start center angle, and start center length. Okay, so we are going to start by pressing shortcut key, by typing a shortcut key A, enter. When I press enter, I am asked to specify the start point of an arc. So what I will do, I will specify the start point. Then I am asked to specify the second point. I can click wherever I need. I will click here on this grid, and then I will specify the end point of an arc. Okay, I will press here. So viewer, this is our arc. Arc is a segment of a circle. So you can see I have drawn an arc using 3 point method. Now I will again start a command by pressing A, enter. When I press A, I will again start using the start point. So I will specify the start point. Next, what I will do, I will change the option. I will switch to center point. When I switch to center point, I will press C, enter, or I will just simply click here. So I will press C, enter. When I click enter, I am asked to specify the center point location. So I believe my center point is here. When I specify the center point, now the third thing I am asked is to specify the end point, where I want to mark the end point. Or you can also use the angle chord length. Chord length will be the distance between the length between the end and the start point. So for now I am going to use the end point. I will simply click end point here and see my arc is drawn. One more point you should bear in mind, that arcs are drawn anti-clockwise. Unless you want to switch to clockwise, you have to press Control key. I will show you how. I will press A, enter. I will start a point from this side, and I will specify the start point. The next thing I will do this time, I will specify the end point. So I will press E and enter. When I press enter, I am asked to specify the end point. So I want my end point to be this one. When I click here, you can see that I have been provided 3 different options, or I can just simply specify the center point. I can specify the angle, direction, or the radius if I am provided the radius. In this option, I will go with the radius, so I will click R, enter. Now you can see that the arc is drawn anti-clockwise, starting from this point to that point. It's going to the left direction. But in case I want to do it left to right, I will press hold Control key. When I press hold Control key, now you can see it has changed the direction. The moment I leave the Control key, it will switch back to anti-clockwise. Now I will press the radius, which will be 31,000, and I will press enter. So viewers, these were the 3 methods that we practice here. You can also practice the further methods by yourself. Hope to see you in the next class. Till then, goodbye.